That seems to be an apt sign today, because it is 100% going to be it's going to be tough the next couple of weeks, I don't even want to say months. Hopefully not months. Thank you to every single one of you that has been sending me nice emails and comments and Instagram DMs and stuff, asking if I'm all right and hoping that I'm okay and everyone in New York is okay. I'm good. I'm okay. Thank you. I know there's so many people that are angry and stressed and taking it out on other people, so if we could try and make this a positive place. I know there's going to be some angry people in the comments, as there has been on everyone's YouTube videos the past few weeks. But if you guys could hit that like button, drop a positive comment, and if you want to see what I'm up to on a daily basis, if you are worried about me, once again, I'm fine. I really appreciate it. But my Instagram and Twitter is Tom Stefaniak. Let's just try and stay as positive as possible. I know this sucks. Like, it freaking sucks. But we're gonna be okay. Another day in New York City quarantine, and once again the streets are completely... I'm not gonna bore you with that again. I'm not gonna bore you with that again. Today we are talking about almost the complete opposite. New York parks are packed today. Now, under normal circumstances, that makes complete sense. It is an absolutely beautiful Saturday afternoon in April. But given the current circumstances, it is one minute step away from abject insanity. I mean, look at this. All for getting some fresh air, but I just think that it's probably prudent to not do it amongst 5,000 of your closest friends. I don't know, it just seems stupid. Speaking of stupid, you want to see something really stupid right between the car and the bus? Do not do that at home. That is terribly dangerous. I completely understand and appreciate the need for fresh air. I mean, I've been going outside 45 minutes, an hour a day myself on my boosted board just to maintain some level of sanity. But it seems like a way better idea to do it here than in the middle of a bunch of people. I mean, there is someone riding their bike, and then there's me. It's shocking how... I honestly think it's physically impossible to be more socially distanced than this in the city of me. Like, where else do you go? Just go for a walk on the street if you're gonna be outside. You don't need to go to Central Park. The biggest thing to remember, though, if you see people in groups of people are going to house parties, don't get angry at them. Just typically, if you get angry at someone, it turns them off of whatever you're saying immediately. And I mean, I get it. You live 20 years, 40 years, 80 years of your life having zero hesitancy to interact with people or be in groups of other people, and then all of a sudden that is completely shut off. It takes time to adjust. So if you see people that you know in big groups in Central Park or at a house party or a pool party, don't get angry at them. Just be like, come on, dude, do better. So right behind me is the West Side Highway, and then behind this road is the Hudson River. And on the Hudson River, I don't know if you can see, but right there is a big white slab of steel with red crosses on it. That is a military hospital boat that has docked on the Hudson River in New York City to provide extra hospital space for people. They have a whole military checkpoint set up there. There's tactical police with rifles and stuff doing security checkpoints. I tried to film it, except understandably they said I couldn't film their security checkpoints, which makes sense. Even just across the street there on the bike path, the conversations about why that boat is there, or why there are soldiers there, is just really... It's a military boat. If you bring a military boat, there's going to be members of the military. 95% of them are medical staff. It's military nurses, it's military doctors. They're here to help people. They're not here to enforce martial law. Yes, the National Guard is across the street. No, they are not going to point a gun at you and force you to stay in your house. I've seen a bunch of fear-mongering crazy people trying to act like this is a big conspiracy theory to break down our rights and freedoms. Don't listen to people like that. There are so many crazy people. It's just a hospital boat. They're here to help us. And seriously, if you are one of the people on that boat helping people, or any first responder, a police, nurse, doctor, anything, thank you. You guys are freaking heroes. This is absolute insanity. I'm driving against traffic on 11th Avenue right now. The cars are supposed to be coming this way, and there is just absolutely no one. This is, I will never get used to seeing this. All the nurses, all the doctors, all those people on that military hospital boat, the cops, the bus drivers, the people working at McDonald's, seriously, thank you. I appreciate you guys. And whenever we're able to, like when we're allowed to be in large groups again, we should really be throwing a parade for those people. If you were one of them, seriously, from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you so much for keeping everything running during this crazy. I mean, you're keeping our dumbasses healthy, fed, clothed. You're making sure things get to us in the mail, and that is amazing. And I thank you. I know New York is not the only place to be doing this. Far from it. Cities across the world are thanking their healthcare and first responder workers at 7 o'clock every single evening. Yesterday, I made a point of actually going out onto the street to witness it. And once again, guys, if you are a first responder, nurse, doctor, paramedic, cop, bus driver, anything, thank you. Once again, before we get out of here, guys, thank you so much for actually caring about me. It's crazy to see people on the other end of a screen, on the other end of the world in some cases, that I've never met before, that genuinely want to make sure that I'm all right. That is amazing. And I want to make sure you guys are all right as well. So please let me know down in the comment section below. Please stay safe. Also, if anyone knows where to find proper face masks, I did have one and then it broke, and I should really be wearing one. I just don't know where to find them. If you guys know where to find them or have extras or anything like that, just drop a comment down below so I can go buy some from a store where they actually have them. Oh wow, it is just, it's sad to see my favorite place on earth just completely cleared out like this. It's really sad, but we're gonna get through this. I'll see you guys soon. I love you, and peace.